Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra, but don't expect a revolution in battery life. According to ICE Universe, the S25 Ultra will stick with a 5000 mAh battery and 45W charging speed, the same specs we've seen since the Galaxy S20 Ultra in 2020. Is this a missed opportunity for Samsung to upgrade its battery game? While the S25 Ultra's battery life may not be improving, Samsung's flagships have consistently delivered long battery life. But with competitors like Google and Asus pushing the boundaries, can Samsung afford to stand still? While Samsung's battery life has seen significant improvements over the past 4 generations, thanks to upgraded Qualcomm processors, it's still a letdown to see the Galaxy S25 Ultra's battery remain stagnant. Yes, you can now enjoy up to 17 hours of battery life on a single charge, compared to just 12 hours with the S20 Ultra. But for a premium product with a premium price tag, we expect more. The 45W charging speed is still competitive, but it's not enough to make up for the lack of innovation in battery technology. Samsung's commitment to long battery life is commendable, but the lack of upgrade in the S25 Ultra's battery is a missed opportunity. With competitors pushing the boundaries of battery life and charging speed, Samsung needs to step up its game to remain competitive. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy S25 Ultra's 5000 mAh battery and 45W charging speed? Is it enough, or is it time for Samsung to upgrade? July 25, 2024 marks a new chapter in smartphone history, and we want your opinion. Share your thoughts in the comments below. The smartphone wars are heating up, and battery life is a key battleground. The Google Pixel 8 Pro boasts a 5500 mAh battery, a slight upgrade from its predecessor. But the real showstopper is the Asus ROG Phone 8, with a massive 5500 mAh battery that lasted over 19 hours in our tests. Can Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra keep up? Share your thoughts on the best battery life smartphones in the comments below. The Galaxy S20 Ultra's large battery was once the gold standard, but now it's just one of many. With rivals like Google and Asus pushing the boundaries, Samsung needs to step up its game. Is the Galaxy S25 Ultra's battery life enough, or is it time for an upgrade? Share your verdict in the comments below. According to rumors, Samsung is focusing on improving the camera setup and style of the Galaxy S25 Ultra to entice consumers to upgrade. The most significant might be the quad-lens back camera system, which could have a 200-megapixel primary camera, a 50-megapixel super telephoto camera, a secondary 50-megapixel telephoto camera, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Meanwhile, it might have a more rounded, slimmer form comparable to the Galaxy Note 7. Of course, all of this should be taken with a grain of salt until Samsung reveals its plans for the Galaxy S25 series, which is expected in early 2025.